Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400 to 440.
The
450. Yeah, you asked for the credit score, so I'm telling you. And I'm not going from a Bentley to a retired cop car. You really don't know who I am, and you're lucky I ain't coming down there to get that ass.
Bro, to do what?
Or you really testing me.
100 down? Oh man, it's tax time, bro.
People with terrible credit are still trying to flex with luxury cars, only to get exposed and embarrassed when the dealership shuts them down. Don't miss what happens next. Let's begin.
All right, we're gonna be cold calling a customer that inquired about a Dodge Hellcat, one of the black ghosts.
Hello, this is Terry.
Hey Terry, this is Alex at Earth Motor Cars.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? Hey, just giving you a call about this 2023 Black Ghost Challenger that you inquired about, the one that's one of 300, and just seeing if you had any questions and what I need to do to earn your business.
Yeah, man, I have been looking at cars like that before. This is Alex from Earth Motor Cars.
Yes, sir. Would you be paying cash or financing this car?
This particular one, I'm gonna be financing.
Okay, awesome. And how much money were you planning on putting down, and what's your credit like?
What can you do for me on the car? I see online that car was listed at like 140,000 or something.
Yeah, 158.9. It's online for. Again, there's only 20 miles on it, and it's one of 300. Terry, I'll be honest with you. I don't want to negotiate against myself. I definitely have some room in it to work on it. But you know, I want to get to the credit application first, make sure that we're good to go with the banks and whatnot, and then go from there. Does that work with you?
Yeah, I mean, whatever gets me to the car, like.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, if I like it, if the numbers sound good, then I'm gonna leave that car. I'm gonna leave with that car. So
okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400 to 440.
The
450.
You're saying it was. I'm sorry. You said 400.
Yeah, you asked for the credit score, so I'm telling you. And I'm not going from a Bentley to a retired cop car. You really don't know who I am, and you're lucky I ain't coming down there to get that ass.
Bro, to do what?
Or you really testing me.
Yeah, let me look at this again. I mean, I'll be honest with you, Tara. I'm just gonna be blunt. You'd probably have to go the lease route with it, and probably at minimum 20% down.
You saying like that? I'm gonna have to lease this car. Is what you're saying?
With to get to where you want to be, money down. Yes, sir.
Never. I'm gonna be honest with you. I never had to do anything like this for my previous car. Like I got a Bentley Continental, and I ain't had to do nothing like that.
Okay.
So.
How is it? A older car? Was it a less expensive one than 158, or?
I mean, I don't know what you mean by less expensive. It's a Bentley, but I mean, it's a 2008 Bentley Continental. But
okay.
I mean, I'm just saying, like, I just want to get into this car.
I got you. Yeah, that's no problem. I mean, you said money wasn't an issue, so would you be able to come up with that 60% down?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that, man. I mean, I feel like you can make it happen with 15,000, 20,000 down. Like, I feel like I can buy a car like this anywhere else. It's a Hellcat. It ain't nothing crazy, but and I'm just saying with my credit and everything, I feel like that shouldn't be an issue to my business. Like I'm ready here to buy the car. So
okay. All right. Well, I'll do that. I'll send you a credit application if that works with you, and then we can just go from there. Does that sound good?
Yeah, man. Just send it. We'll figure something out. So.
Okay, Terry. All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you very much.
All right, man.
All right, Terry. Bye.
Okay, before I say anything, let's check out the comments first. Bro said 450 like it was going to change anything. And the creator replied, that extra 50. Hellcat? Best I can do is hell now. Money ain't a problem. You should have kept asking about his credit score till he got to at least 720. This whole situation is a masterclass in personal finance. Self-assurance is fine, but walking into a dealership with a 400 credit score, asking for a $159,000 Dodge Challenger Black Ghost on a 10% down payment is like wearing a swimsuit into a blizzard and getting mad at the weather. A score that low tells lenders you've defaulted on past bills, so asking for 60% down isn't a personal insult. It's just basic risk management. Before you try to control a 807 horsepower machine, you've got to get a grip on your own balance sheet first.
Get done if I'm like a 341 credit score? Hello?
Hey, Brett.
Yeah.
Hey, Brett. I got that. I was just giving you a call. I got that F-150 cleaned up and filled with gas, ready to go. Just wanted to touch base with you. Are you still good for our appointment here at 2 today?
Oh, wait, you got me approved?
Well, we didn't get a credit application or anything yet. I thought everything was going to be good to go, you know?
Well, I would hope so. Yeah, I feel good about it,
Okay.
you know?
Why? Was there some reason you felt off about it?
Well, I know my credit took a bit of a hit in the past few years.
Okay, yeah. Well, we were looking at, an F-150 Lariat, which is, about $72,000, so...
Yeah. I just, I had to be at a, $500 payment with no money down, and I know my credit's in the threes somewhere.
I'm sorry, sir. Do you not remember the payments that we went over the other day?
Which ones?
On this F-150.
I don't know. I just thought you said we'd be good.
It was well over $500 a month, if you don't remember. You signed the proposal, too. And the other thing, I got to check in with my finance team again and make sure we're able to get this approved. Are you able to send me a credit application online?
Why do I gotta send that?
Oh, so we can check your credit and communicate with banks to see if we can get you funded for this deal.
Oh, I thought we were just gonna be good.
Oh, no, we got to do a credit check, man.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I can send you over the link if you're able to send it online.
Oh, all right. Go ahead and send it over.
Okay, well, then I will text that over, and then, like I said, I'll have to get with my finance team and see if we're able to get this approved for you, okay?
Well, where the payments gonna be?
Oh, we were in like the 900s, I believe.
900s?
Yeah.
All right. I'd probably make that work. But you think I can get done if I'm like a 341 credit score?
341?
Yeah.
I'm not. That's not my position to say.
I took out
Obviously,
a bunch of loans the past few years. I just didn't pay anybody.
Yeah, obviously I'm not the one that's loaning out the money, so it's not my say. I'd have to get with my finance team after you send that application, and we'll do our best to try to get you approved.
Well, you tell your finance team I'm good for it this time.
Okay, yeah, I'll definitely let them know that.
You let them know, because I'm good for it.
Okay, any other questions?
Nah, man, I'm cool.
All right, well, I'll get you an update as soon as possible. All right, Brett?
All right, thanks, man.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
A 341 credit score and 0 down on a $72,000 truck. And his only defense is literally, trust me, bro. Man, someone tell me this ain't real.
Ooh, he said he wants what?
The Ford.
Okay. What's going on, brother? How are you?
Hey, all is well. Just calling in regards to your Ford Mustang.
The Ford Mustang? Yeah. The Shelby GT350. We still got it. Clean Carfax, 2 owners. We've got priced pretty aggressively. So what do you want to know about it?
One is the price is negotiable, and then what kind of arrangements you can make for someone who's coming in to get a lien for finance and things like that.
A lien, you mean a loan?
Yeah, loan. Excuse
Okay.
me.
No, it's all good. So basically, man, we don't negotiate over the phone. If I negotiate over the phone and we agree on a price and then you come and it's not what you expect, we'll both be disappointed and we wasted time, right? So it just helps us cut to the chase. This car is priced about $1,000 underneath market. We got it about $53,000. You want to finance? You have any money down?
My goal was to put like $500 down, a maximum of $1,000 maybe.
Okay. All right, awesome. So that means you got good credit.
Yeah, my credit's good, man.
Awesome, man. If you don't mind me asking, what's your credit score?
It's 480.
Say that one more time.
It's a 480.
480 credit score?
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. I'm not gonna lie, man. That is not a good credit score. Yeah. Unfortunately, man, for a car like this, if you have a 480 credit score and only $1,500 down, brother, it's not gonna work out, man.
What would you need?
With 40 credit score, man, we're gonna need all of it down. It's gonna be really hard to get you financed with that. Had any repos or anything like that? Why is your score so low?
A few medical bills. I don't have like a lot of things on my credit, so just have a few medical bills.
All right, brother. Look, I appreciate your ambitiousness. I just can't get the deal done with 480 credit score, man. Unless you had like maybe 30 or 40 grand down, I could probably make something work. But here's what we can do, man. Let's get you into a car. So if with the 480 down, man, $1,500 down, let's get you into like at least maybe a 5 or 6K car. And let's build your credit up so that way one day you can afford a Shelby, man. So how about this? Just put it in the app, see what we can do, and then I can give you a call here shortly and let you know, man, and see if we can make something happen.
Through everything's through your website?
Yeah. I'll text you the link right now.
All right, this is Yusuf, right?
Yeah, this is Yusuf, from TikTok.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem, man.
Sounds good.
All right, brother. Later. Bye. Wow.
Who told bro 480 is a good credit score? This has to be a prank. And the creator replied, unfortunately, I get this calls all the time. As someone who was a salesperson for years, we used to get this all the time. It's difficult. And there's people out here saying a credit score doesn't matter. At the end of the day, your credit score is basically a reflection of how you handle money and responsibility. You can talk a big game and act like you've got plenty of cash, but the bank's computer couldn't care less. It only looks at the numbers.
Your name is?
Noel.
Noel. Greg, nice to meet you. Did you call? You anything?
No,
you just driving by?
I actually saw your videos on Instagram.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
The one about the scam and stuff.
Oh, well, I don't play around then. Here's a van, 54,000 miles, super low mileage, everything works. Kind of a base, plain Jane, but she runs and drives pretty well. There you go. Yep, check her out, man.
I do have 3 vehicles that I kind of want to see my options to trading in, but the shit vehicles.
You have 3 cars that you want to trade in?
The shit vehicles.
I'll be honest with you, I'm not looking to take in any problems or crappy cars, so there's not much I can give you for them, It would be like a super, super low wholesale rate.
Yeah, because I could put money down too, but I don't really want to deal with the hassle, because they're all drivable, they got a lot of work to.
Yeah, then I got to put a lot of work into it and got to resell it. So I'd rather not go. You could definitely get more money selling them on your own, coming back, and then using that as a down payment.
Financing be an option if I have bad credit?
Yeah, if you have bad credit, I can get it financing. But like I said, you need a little bit more money down. We need to go inside, take a credit app, and see how much you would actually need.
Because I think my credit score is like a 520 right now.
If it's at 520, you need more money down. Yeah,
more money?
Quite wisely, you're gonna need a cosigner.
Like how much money down you think?
Hard to say. We have to go inside and really see. You know what I mean? The mileage is good, but it's an older vehicle, so it's harder to finance.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Because it's not even what do you call that? Inspector. I have to get it inspected.
Yeah, but that has nothing to do with anything.
Oh, okay. Yeah, could we see like my options and stuff?
Sure. Yeah.
I don't want to waste your time or anything, but
well, if you can't put $4,000 to $5,000 down, then there's no reason to even run your credit and put another hard inquiry on it. I'll tell you right now.
Yeah.
But we can go inside and check exactly how much you need.
Yeah, because I do have the 5,000. I could buy it outright. But I just don't want to. I'd rather make a payment, like do half and then the rest, like.
So you have 3 cars you're looking to trade in. I can't give you top dollars if they have 200,000 miles or
I'm not expecting
a TMU title, like a true mileage unknown.
Yeah.
So I figured between $500 to $1,000 for the cars. That's why I said it'd be easier to sell them on your own. This is a credit app. You need to sign right over here. This just says that you allow me to run your credit and send it to the bank. But yeah, the credit's coming back at a 488.
488.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You're gonna need a cosigner. I can send this out to the bank, but you're definitely gonna need a cosigner, or you're gonna need like 50% of the car down.
50% of the car.
Yep.
So
you need to be, at least like $8 grand down, and we'll probably be able to get you done.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Alrighty?
Yeah.
Got it, man.
A lot of people think the dealership has the final say, but the bank is the one that ultimately decides whether you get approved. With a 488 credit score, there's a very high chance you'll either get denied or be stuck with a brutally high interest rate. And honestly, this guy was just saying what a lot of car salespeople are too afraid or too motivated by a commission to tell their customers.
We have a customer here. He wants a Porsche. He hasn't paid a soul, like not a single person in his life he's paid. So his credit is close to negative 400. But he's here today because he came to get approved for a car, and we can help him out, but we just need help explain it to him. Can't really get qualified for a Porsche. But I just talked to my finance manager. So he's saying, listen, if we have to do this pretty much in your name, right? If we can't get anyone on here to help you out on that credit side, then we can certainly get you approved with $6,000 down. There's no question if we can get you approved. Can we get you approved for that Porsche? When you're ready with the $6,000, it's going to be questionable. Things may be different then. We may not even have the Porsche when you have the $6,000. But finance is saying if you can come when you have the $6,000 all put together, for sure, we'll get you on the road. Something nice, something reliable.
But if you said if I had that 6 right now, then it was a go.
I can't tell you concrete that it's a go, but we will certainly fight to get you in something, if not the Porsche, then something similar.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be nothing else but that.
That's you tell me that's the only thing.
Reason I came here for.
For the Porsche.
For the Porsche.
Then if that's what we have to do, then we'll fight to get you into the Porsche, brother.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, give me like 2 weeks.
All right. Well, then hold on. Don't go yet. Let me give you my cell so you can reach me.
It's already a done deal. I've been looking at that for a couple of months.
Listen, now you got my cell, okay? So if you need anything from me in between the time of now and when you're ready to purchase it, you call me, you text me, okay?
All right. Appreciate it.
All right, Prince. You reach out to me, brother. Okay. Enjoy your weekend.
Craving to flex a flashy Porsche when your credit score is already scraping the bottom of the barrel? Pure, unadulterated madness. Watching him corner himself into such financial suicide just makes me shake my head. This is the exact textbook definition of a clown show lifestyle you need to run away from. Do yourself a massive favor. Never let your credit score flatline in the gutter, and for God's sake, don't be stupid enough to pile on a mountain of debt when you don't even have the chops for it.
I got the key right over here. You guys called about this yesterday? Yeah, I think I spoke to someone. Very nice to meet you. You guys are excited to see the car, I see.
Test drive.
You can do a test drive, yeah. Okay. You want to go right now? Yeah. I need to see your license, that's all. Let's go.
Only me and you?
Yeah, only me and you.
He wants the car there. He will follow up.
Have him come. How do you like it? Drive good, right?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so you guys are looking to finance, right? Yeah. If you want, we go inside and we see.
Price. Let us know the price.
Well, listen, that depends. I have to see what the deal looks like. You know what I mean? I can't tell you what if you don't even know what your credit is like.
What is gonna be total?
I have to go inside. We have to see. Okay? Ready? Okay. Let's go.
Beginning price is 14,000, right?
Correct. And then we have to see what the out-the-door price is afterwards. I'm not sure. Why is he so upset? I don't get it.
Percent.
So I don't make the percent. You know what I mean? He has a 500 credit score, and the car has 140,000 miles. What am I gonna do? You know what I mean? If he can get his own financing, I work on the price for you. But
that's not your problem.
No, I mean the way he acts.
I will wait 1 year, and I will good credit score, and I will come back. No problem.
That's fine, but in a year your credit score is not going to be better. Instead, what he could do is build his credit and refinance. You see, guys, that's why financial literacy matters. The customer got upset with me that he got a higher interest rate when he has a 500 credit score, the car has 140,000 miles on it, and he's upset with me that his interest is a little bit higher. Look how he pulls off.
Blaming the salesperson doesn't really make any sense. They're just passing along the numbers. They didn't create your interest rate. A 500 credit score and a 15% APR are simply the result of your own financial history. Banks don't make decisions based on feeling. They make them based on data. Instead of wasting your energy blaming the middleman, face reality, pay your bills on time, and start rebuilding your credit. That's the only way out.
He's a 444 Sport. He's in the market for a Elcan. He does not have a co-signer. How much were you asking for that car? 72. He's got 10 G's down. Cash? Yes. He's been at his job for about 2 months. first-time buyer. Hey, I'm one of the managers here at Folsom Neck Dodge. I know you were interested in the pre-owned certified Hellcat that we have.
Yep.
I'm looking at your credit. Are we open for something different?
I know my credit's sitting at a strong 480 right now, but don't worry, man. I'm busy.
You're a first-time buyer. You haven't had any type of credit whatsoever. You had a couple of credit cards that unfortunately you were late on, so it caused your credit to drop down a little bit. If you're gonna be looking at a car that's gonna be a 72,000 with taxes and fees, you're probably gonna be closer about the range of 79 to 80 outdoor. Now you put in 10,000, so you're gonna be somewhere in the range of 69 to 70. It's a big loan. Even people with good credits, they definitely have the challenge of getting like that.
So let me ask you, so what's the longest finance y'all got? 10 years, 12?
We have them available. That's not the issue, brother. The issue is just trying to get you a loan from the bank. The biggest loan that I'm probably able to get you is going to be somewhere 30 to 35. I have a lot of vehicles available for you that range.
I get it, man. I'm trying to burn rubber.
If you want to burn rubber, I got something super fast, luxurious, or something that's going to make you cringe.
Yeah, I need something back to complete.
I'm not going to share these vehicles with you yet because I want to surprise you with them when you come in. I'm going to have my guy go pick you up. I have about 3 or 4 of these cars, got plenty of features. Do you have car insurance by any chance?
I got health insurance.
Okay. No problem. Just come on in. I'll take care of you.
A 10 to 12-year car loan? My guy is out here trying to take out a mortgage on a Dodge. By the time you make that final payment in 2038, the engine will be blown, the car will be resting in a scrapyard, and you'll still be upside down on the loan. It's a Hellcat, not real estate. And let's see what the comments are saying about him. Bro was willing to take a 10-year loan on a Hellcat. That's wild. Better go take that $10,000 and buy a G37 LOL, save another $10,000 and boost it. Then bro will be faster than a Hellcat. Bad credit, 2 months at the job, wants a Hellcat. Can y'all guess the color?
What car you looking for?
I did see that BMW out there. The
X7?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your budget?
As like what?
How much you want to pay for a vehicle?
You talking about monthly?
No, total price.
It looks like it's like 20 something.
That BMW?
Yeah.
X7?
Yeah.
I'm just making sure we on the right car. How much you want to pay a month?
No more than like
500. How much money you got down?
like 1,500.
1,500 on this BMW.
Yeah.
All right, 1,500, 500 a month. What's your credit score?
It's like mid-5.
500.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
So your credit score the same as your monthly payment, and you want this BMW?
Yeah, that BMW.
Let me look at your credit. I see you put your app in already. You a 490, a 525, and a
550, mid-5.
Yeah. And you want this BMW right here?
Yeah.
Now this BMW is $41,860, and you want to pay $500 a month.
Yeah.
You got
I want
15.
to stay at like the same monthly payment I'm paying.
So you want to upgrade?
You can't do that?
Well, I'm known for helping people, but no, I can't do it. Ain't no way. The math ain't mathing. That's $40,000 car. I'm just saying, I got something I can get you on. If you give me $1,500 down,
But I want like a BMW or a Mercedes or like a Lexus.
that ain't gonna happen. How much money you make a month?
I can tell you my hourly.
All right, what's your hour?
Like $12.50.
An hour?
Yeah.
You say $12.50.
$12.50. I work full time.
Yeah, you make $2,000 a month. That's what you make.
I make more than that.
That's it.
I do overtime too.
I understand, but we don't count overtime. It's not reliable. We go on your base. If I could get you in this car and your credit score of 495, you want
550.
yeah, 5. Even if it's 550, you looking at a $1,600 payment. You good with that?
How much?
1,600. Actually, I got an approval right here for you. I got a car.
What car is it?
Well, it ain't that X7. Definitely not that BMW. It's made by BMW.
What is it?
I got a 2019 Mini Cooper, low mile,
I ain't getting no Mini Cooper.
60,000 miles. Well, your income is mini. We trying to match your income with the car.
I'm not doing no Mini Cooper.
Well, you ain't doing no X7 either.
Definitely ain't doing no Mini Cooper.
Well, we got to meet in the middle somewhere. Credit score just don't say BMW. You got a cosigner. Maybe we can get some. You got a mama, your dad, cute girl. Don't nobody love you.
Nah, ain't nobody gonna co-sign for me.
Well, look like you don't pay nobody.
I need a card to get to work and back.
I know. What you do?
I work at Panda.
Express?
Yeah.
You gonna need a cosign. You struggling with that, and you want to get that X7?
I'm gonna make the payments on the X7.
But you might be late.
Definitely not. I got an approval somewhere else.
Where?
I can't remember the place.
Hey, I'm quite sure you can't.
No, I have an approval. I only need $1,500 down on a BMW.
What year?
It's like a 2022.
And they told you can have that?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it right now, actually, because you don't want to help me.
Well, I tell you what, I appreciate your time. When you get it, I want you to bring it back here and just let me see it. I want to take a picture of you in it. You don't mind.
Why would I do that?
I'm just saying, you finna get your new BMW. I just
Well,
like to see
you're not
you.
trying to help me, so...
Maybe our banks just don't like you. Ain't nothing we can do. Maybe we're not big enough.
All right, I'm gonna go get the other BMW.
You have a great day.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
She expects a monthly payment of $500, but the interest rate for a bad credit profile will push the actual cost up to nearly $1,600 per month. Spending $1,600 out of a total income of $2,000 leaves exactly $400 for rent, food, gas, and insurance. And clearly, a car repossession scenario is bound to happen. To avoid falling into financial traps for flashy illusions, subscribe to the channel now to break it down with me every day.
I got this customer out there right now looking at the Range Rover, and I think she really loves it, man. She's outside right now taking pictures of it, sending it to her friends.
Oh, I like that. That's a good sign. I mean, listen, it's a beautiful car.
But the only thing is that she wants to do 0 down, and she can't have her payment be over $750.
All right. Well, I hope she's got great credit. I mean, if she's sending pictures to her friends, I'm assuming she's got good credit. So let's pull it and see what we got here. Ronnie. That's not good, man. I'm pulling a 515 TransUnion and a 488 Experian. Says that she's got an open auto loan, but you mentioned that's been totaled out. It shows that she's 30 days past due on that auto loan, so it hasn't been paid off by the insurance yet, and it's currently past due, and she's been 30 days late 16 times on the credit. So her credit is definitely not there. I mean, 0 down, I can tell you right away, is not going to work.
The issue isn't just that the car was overpriced, but her credit history is an absolute disaster with 16 delinquencies. With this mountain of bad debt and unpaid insurance, talking about buying a car with no down payment is completely out of the question.
Well, surprisingly, I got an approval, but it's nowhere close to what she wants. I can get her done with $8,500 down, 17% interest, and without any sort of warranty or gap insurance or anything along those lines, we're at an $875 payment. So we're so far apart.
So the $0 down and $750 a month illusion turns into a brutal reality of an $8,500 down payment and $875 a month at a 17% interest rate with 0 protection for the car if things go south. That's not a counteroffer. That's a whole different universe of trap.
She had no idea kind of how bad her credit situation was. She thought she was in the high 6s, low 7s. She knows that she's behind on the auto loan now, but she thought because it was totaled out and the insurance is paying it off that she doesn't have to pay it. I told her to get caught up with that at least. The other late payments, she didn't realize that it was reporting to the credit. You know, she thought if it was 30 days, it wasn't reporting to. Look, she fell in hard times. She had great credit at one point, but we got an approval for her, and unfortunately, I don't think she can do the $8,500 down. So I don't know if we can get it done. Go talk to her one more time. See if $8,500 is an option for her. She needs to put a sizable amount of money down to get approved for this car. Or see if there's other options for her.
All right, Dan. So I just spoke to her, and she's not willing to settle for anything else. She really loves that car.
Beautiful car, man.
So what she's planning to do is save some more money, pay down some of her debt before making a move.
That's a wise choice from her, I think. Either way, she's going to require down payments. She's got to save some money for that. But while she's doing that, she should kind of pay down some of her debt, start building up some credit history again. Maybe go for a little bit of a lesser car. I mean, we're talking about almost a $45,000 unit. It's a lot of car. So, I mean, unfortunately, we weren't able to get this one, but I hope she understands. I mean, obviously, there's a disconnect between where she thought she was and where she actually is. So that's all right. We'll get the next one then. All right.
The brutal truth is that she was completely delusional about her credit score, assuming it was still comfortably hovering around the 600 or 700 mark. She had no inkling that her old car loan was still being slammed as delinquent by the banking system every single month, because an insurance payout does not mean a wiped clean slate on a credit report. This fatal blind spot is the very trap that shatters countless dreams, leaving people standing frozen and helpless next to their dream car.
We have a pastor from Missouri trying to buy a 2024 BMW X1 with 24,000 miles and 2,000 down. He wants to be 650 monthly. He has a 520 credit score. He has a repossession on his credit as well, but let's take a shot. I've never had proof of income from a pastor before. Yeah, the car books out for 34,600 and we're only charging 30,000 for it. It's expensive for his credit, but at least it books out okay. So let's see if God is watching over this pastor. We will need, I guess, a pay stub. Let's see if they like the numbers and then we'll worry about that. We were able to get the pastor approved. Payment's going to be in the mid-8s. Good evening, Pastor. We were able to get you an approval on the 2024 BMW X1. I just want to go over that with you with $2,000 down. Payment's going to be $842 per month. That's going to include all of your taxes, registration, everything with your state.
Okay, that will be a payment each month?
Yes, sir.
What I definitely can handle.
Is a little bit on the higher side due to the credit, but later down the line as you pay it off, I would recommend trying to go and refinance it. as your credit score improves. This way you can go ahead and lower your rate. Do you have any other questions or concerns before we start the document process to send over to your email? All right, well, congratulations. We'll get this worked up now for you. Thank you, sir.
I'm not here to judge anyone, but honestly, with a 520 credit score and a past repo on their record, how on earth did this BMW X1 loan get approved? Is this some kind of clever bank trap? They knew the risks loud and clear, yet instead of turning them down flat, they purposely jacked up the monthly payment to $842 with killer interest. Someone please drop a comment down below and explain this to me.
So you have a $100,000 inheritance and you want to spend it on a BMW i8?
Yup.
Hey Henry, this is Gus with Legacy Motor Cars Austell. How you doing?
Hey, what's up, man? Thanks for giving me a call. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man, no problem. So I got your message. You're interested in a BMW i8?
Heck yeah.
Nice,
Heck
man.
yeah. Everything's nice, man.
Yeah, I love those cars. Any reason why you want the i8 or no?
So tragedy followed by some slight good news. My dad passed away. He wasn't really around, so it kind of... He basically left me something, and that was a huge inheritance, and so might as well reward myself with a little something. So I'm looking at this i8. I gotta get those suicide doors, man.
Gotcha, man. Sorry to hear that about your dad.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, but yeah, so what's your budget?
Budget-wise, I got some money to put down, but I'm not trying to be stuck in a huge payment because I'm putting so much money down.
Okay. How much are you looking to put down?
Like $100K.
100K? For clarification, you have $100,000 you want to put down towards a car, or how much do you have to work with?
So the inheritance was $100K, but I'm trying to put down maybe like, 30 or 40,000 to have some money to still play around with.
So how's your credit?
It's not the best. Mid 500s, 550, 560, something like that.
Okay. Located.
I'm in Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, so you're right by us. So we're like 10 miles away.
I know you guys are in like Marietta, right?
Actually, we just opened our second store in Austell.
Awesome. Congrats,
yeah, so I'm working at Austell. Thank you. So I'm looking at here. They're like in the mid 70s for a nicer low mile spec. So you'd probably finance half of it.
Fill out an application with you guys to try to get approved, but just want to make sure those numbers work for me. That's all.
Okay. I mean, out the door, you'd roughly be like around 80, 90, depending on which one we go with. Have you ever financed any cars under your name?
I have.
Okay. And what is your income?
I make about $4,000 a month.
Do you have any repos on your credit?
No, nothing like that.
Definitely get this deal done. I'll send you over a credit app, and we'll see what we can make work. But text me what color you want, any sort of like miles or anything specific you're looking for, and we'll go from there. I can definitely find your car. There's tons of them out there. I'll send you a few options, though. Let's just get it pre-approved first. Sure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Honestly, there's nothing more painful than watching the blood, sweat, and tears of the older generation get burned away by the recklessness of the next. Seeing this guy drain his late father's inheritance just to cop a used BMW i8 on a measly $3,000 monthly salary is just baffling. That money should have been a lifeline to invest and change his life, not tossed out the window just to flex for a few minutes in a depreciating pile of junk.
This isn't a $53,725, and we'd rather live with our parents than get a car that we could...
It was the carryover.
This is ridiculous. This is insane. Minimum monthly payment of $857.75 is disgusting. And this is for one of the cars. What in the America are you guys? This is insane. This is crazy.
We couldn't fit our kids in the Elantra he had.
Come on. So we had to get a $60,000 car. I don't want to hear it. You can fit people in cars that aren't $60,000. What's it worth?
Sure, I think I looked recently. It's only worth like 30 with the miles I have.
It's worth 30. You're underwater by half. This is one of the worst equity positions I've ever seen in a car. What the are you guys? You can't get rid of this. There's nothing you can borrow to make the difference make sense. This is insane. This is disgusting. This is insane. A $53,725, and you guys are cutting your income in half. You're gonna be what, like a $5,000 household here in a second? Good luck. Literally, a fifth of your income is gonna go to a Santa fucking Fe? At 7.5 interest. That it's worth almost half. Oh my fucking kill me. This is insane. When did you get this? When possibly?
April or March.
Oh, why? Listen, okay, get a new car, but why a $60,000 car?
Because she doesn't believe in used cars.
Yeah, but why a 60?
It was the carryover from the trade-in.
How much?
It was a $15,000 carryover.
Rolling 15 grand of negative equity into a brand new Santa Fe just because a compact sedan is too small for the kid and you're too proud for a used car? Absolutely peak financial self-sabotage. Now they're sitting on a crushing $53,000 loan with an $857 monthly payment, while the car is instantly worth half that the second it rolls off the lot.
I'm looking at the car. It's a beautiful car, nice color.
I'm buying today and my Charlotte is really nice.
Okay, cool.
I want that car.
When can you come in to see what we can do for you, man?
I probably can come in today after work. I get out like at 3:30.
3:30? Cool. Yeah, I'll be here, man.
So I gotta tell you what's up with that car. I don't know if that's possible, but I want to put some music in that car, some Chuchero in there.
Chuchero? What's a
Is that possible
Chuchero?
if I finance that car?
I mean, you can finance. I don't know what a Chuchero is.
That's that music system. You know, you be at the parks on the Sunday.
Okay.
Those big boxes that you put on it.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah. Okay, I got you. So there's the big stereo system. Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean, it's got a big trunk. You can fit whatever you want in there, man.
Alright, sounds good. But my thing though, you guys work with credit?
Yeah, I got programs for everybody, man. As long as you're working, you got a couple bucks down, I'll get you done.
My credit though is not.
What's the credit situation?
Last time I checked, my cousin said it was good. It's 430.
430. Is that the time or is that the credit?
What you mean?
Well, 430. Your cousin said at 430 is good. Okay.
He doesn't even bother knowing his own credit score. Blindly trusting his cousin, he somehow confuses a 430 score with some random 330 time frame. He's ready with $7,000 in cash for a down payment, only for the salesman to reject it because it's completely absurd. Safe to say, anything can happen in this world. This was never really a financial conversation in the first place. It's a brutal lesson on how completely clueless people are about what they're actually signing.
All right, so glad you came out. So what you trying to do? You first of all, let me ask you one question.
Yeah.
How's your credit?
My credit's probably about a 500, maybe about a 550, maybe. Might be a high 490.
Damn. Okay, well, let me ask you a question. You got any money to put down?
I think I can match my credit score like 500.
500? Down? Oh, man. It's tax time, bro. I know you got some money. You ain't got no money to put down?
All I got right now, you know, the old lady took up most of the money on the tax return. She ain't split it with me.
What? What kind of car you trying to get? What you want, man?
I mean, that new Telluride's nice.
No. I hate to say it, but tell your ride to come back and get you. If not, it's gonna be a K4 at the door.
He's a 428 credit score.
That is horrible.
His chances of being approved are going to be based heavily on a couple of things. Ready? How much does he have down?
You put $1,000 down.
Okay, that's not enough. He has an Ally Financial that he is past due on, $11,000. So he's already got a current car loan that he's proving he's not going to pay. Like, he's telling the bank already, like, I'm not going to pay you. So the chances of another bank saying, well, maybe you'll pay us are slim. A lot of times they can buy you into a car loan. Like if somebody has $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 down, a bank will be like, well, we're in an equity position on it, so we'll take a shot on them. We don't want to spend a whole lot of time on this guy. This guy would need a big down payment. This is not somebody who's going to get approved on another car loan right now, especially with not a lot down. I agree with you. I think you should save some more money down.
Okay.
Cool?
All right.
We'll move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okie doke.
Still carrying unpaid debt, a terrible credit score, and somehow thinking a $1,000 down payment is enough to finance another car? Honestly, I have no idea what they were thinking. If this video proves anything, it's that poor money management can come back to haunt you. If you found this lesson valuable, hit like and share to help more people avoid making the same mistake. A luxury car can hide your problems for a few minutes, but it can't fix your finances. The numbers always tell the truth. Build the foundation first, then enjoy the rewards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.